What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. What a lovely day it is today. I went out, had some lunch at Costa, now I'm back. I had to get some bits for the spare room, like extension cable. There's this side table, I'll edit the video today and try and get it out for the weekend or something. But there was this side table and it's like an LED side table, so I had to get some batteries for that. And then the plug's on the wrong side of the room, so I had to get an extension cable. But it's all done now. It's just a tip in there still because there's just so many boxes just full of stuff that we need to pack away. But yeah, let's get on with Quant. Unfortunately, we didn't do what we wanted Quant to do if we were to get out of this mess. So if you remember, 2 days ago we were saying if we want to get out of this mess, we need to get above all these EMAs, backtest this orange zone as support. And the reason is because of that wick where we had a over 100% pump. Also true support here, and there's some support there, but it didn't really work because we went back under straight away. But more touches on this orange box than down here, so that's why we know if we were getting above that confirming its support, we can start heading back to top, and you can see some sort of double bottom would start to form. But unfortunately, what did we warn everyone of yesterday? We said that if we're just stopping at the 20 EMA and not getting above the orange box, and anyway, as long as we're under the orange box, any pump into it should be a fake out, because again guys, what is this? The 200 EMA, this signals the trend you're in. If we're below this, any pump should be a sell. So what did we get here? A bullish engulfing, which is the manipulation, because everyone's thinking, okay, double bottom, this is a bullish engulfing, this green one eats the red one, so we should get bullish continuation. But there's more to it than just those basic rules. There's criteria to it, and that is what I teach in my course and in my mentorship. People come and go from the chat. I'm not too worried about them. They come for 1 month, they leave because they're expected to get rich in 1 month. It's not like that, guys. I don't trade often. In the last month, 1 trade, the month before 2 trades, the month before maybe 3 trades. Basically, since February, we've done about 6 trades and we're up around 75%. Now you can see since the beginning of the year, or February, let's say, which is 1 month in, second month in, yeah, only 5 trades. So in January, maybe I did 1 or 2. To be honest, guys, I don't remember. I remember once I moved into this house, since then, we're up 75% and we've taken roughly 5 or 6 trades. And that's how it should be, to trade less. Do you think if you're a billionaire, you'd be trading 10 times a week? Absolutely not. You'd be trading maybe not even 10 times a year, guys. Maybe max once a month, or not even. So that's why you're meant to do it like that. Are billionaires 99% of the world? No, they're the 1%. So if you're doing what the 99% of people are doing, you're not going to become the 1%, the 3%, because the saying is 97% of people will come into this market and lose 90% of their account within the first 90 days of their trading. Not of them coming in and learning, but from actually starting with real money, they'll lose 90% of it in the first 90 days. And that's 97% of people. And why is that? Because the noobs, and this is exactly like me 3 years ago, what did I do? I was paying for these signals thinking, okay, I'll pay monthly, they're going to get me rich because I've been following them for months on end. I'm seeing that they post every day the true results. But when you actually go and do it, it's all losses. It's hardly any wins. If they're posting wins on their story or anything like that, it's because, you know, the noobs... 1 second, guys. Sorry, guys. Abby smashed her vape, so just had to go and check what was going on. But yeah, we're back. And yeah, see, in my first year, I think I did 500 trades. And yes, I started with 4x in my first year. Only towards the end of the year did I really get it. Or 6 months in, 7 months, I got into crypto in my first year. So yeah, I did about 500 trades, and honestly, since my first year, I probably haven't, since doing 500 trades in my first year, and of course not profitable, what happened was, yeah, since then, in the next 2 years, I've probably done less than 100 trades, whereas in my first year, I was doing like 500, and I wasn't winning, because what was I doing? I was doing quantity over quality. I was doing what all the noobs were doing, thinking the more trades you take, the more likely you're going to win. No, it's the opposite. The more trades you take, the more likely you're going to lose. Think about it. If you just want to trade, you're going to feel on top of the world. The emotions are everywhere. You're going to think you're a god of trading. You get into the next trade because you want to chase the money. You've just won 20% in one trade. You want to get back in the next day or even the next week. You guys think, oh, I've made 20% this week. Let me trade next week. Wrong. Don't even do that. Because I'm telling you guys, from experience, the next time you trade after win is so much more likely to be a loss. The reason you won in the first place is because you were looking for that high quality setup. You were taking your time to find the perfect setup, and that's how you won. So that just completely slips your mind once you've won. You think, oh, I'm a god now, let me enter the next trade, and then it's a loss. And the next one is a loss. And the next one is a loss. This is what I teach in my course, in my mentorship, so that you avoid that. But the people that come and go in the chat, they don't know this. They're just thinking, yeah, I'm meant to be trading every single day. If they're not doing that in the chat, this is some BS chat. They're not making money, any of that. No, it's the complete opposite. If you're joining a signals chat and they're posting trades every day, multiple trades every day, they don't give a shit about you. I'm telling you that right now. Why? Because I put £3,000 3 years ago with 5 separate signal services. Every single one saying they were profitable. They were actually channels or pages or influencers that were posting negative results as well. So for months on end, guys, I was watching these people. Okay, this guy's only posting wins, so I know this guy's fake. Let me follow this guy that's posting wins and losses. Follow them for 4 months. 6 different people following them for 4 months. And then what happens, as soon as I join, I put £500 with 6 different people. Within 3 weeks, £3,000 was zero. So I've made the mistakes, so you don't have to. This is what I teach in my mentorship, in my course. If you're interested, click the link to my Twitter in the description under this video, and that will bring you to the pinned post on my Twitter. And once you're at the pinned post, you just comment under saying, I'm interested in the course, I'm interested in the mentorship, or I'm interested in the chat. For me personally, I would recommend the chat, sorry, not the chat, I'd recommend the course or the mentorship, as you get the chat for free included. So you won't have to worry about making money every single month. Oh, I have to pay £40 a month and we're not going to take a trade this month. Because as I said, guys, I take time between my trades because I don't want to just get back into the market and give it back. Because every time I do that, yeah, there you go. I just give the market back the money I just won from the last trade. So that's why I take time, and that's why we are up 75% in only 5 trades. Yes, it's 5 months, but look at the stock market average returns. It's in and around 10% for the year, and we've done 75% in 5 trades. So yeah, it's all about the mentality, guys, and just working out your own strategy. But I'm only telling you this because I've worked it out for myself. But again, guys, because we got this rejection as we predicted yesterday in yesterday's update, because even though it was a massive bullish pump, we know there's certain criteria that we teach about in the course, and it wasn't meeting the certain criteria, and that's why we dumped off. And now we've lost the 1 fib level. We actually closed below it for the first time. And of course, this is at the moment under. We need to see if the daily candle close is going to remain under. If it does, we've now validated at the moment, because we did already close under yesterday, we've validated this 1618 target. We've already gone through on this channel though how this might not be the bottom. It should technically be. This is a swing high, it should be the swing low. This is your bottom at the moment. If we lose it, you go to the next swing low. That's where the bodies are. Unfortunately, we do have a wick down here and a wick down here. So the lowest, in my opinion, that Quant would go is in around $40 to $44. This support down here. That's the lowest I believe it will go. I might be completely wrong. This could be a absolutely disgusting spike down, but it's going to be in and around this area if we're losing this 1618, because when we get to the 1618, I am anticipating this bounce. This bounce needs to reclaim $92, which I do not believe will happen personally. If we lose this support, I personally don't believe we're going to come down and just bounce back up like that and hold its support. The most likely scenario is consolidate, hit this as resistance, fall back, lose it, and then, continuing down. And any of these could be your supports. We just don't know yet. What I can tell you at the moment for sure is now that we're below the 1, once we lose that low, we're coming to the 1618. That is the next target. That's the next step. Then it's about the bounce. Will that bounce get above this resistance and then confirm it as support? I highly doubt that, because once you've lost it, you've lost its support, so it should be flipped into resistance. The only way we get above it is if this move under it was a fake out, and then we confirm this as support, and then we start to head back up. We need to reclaim the orange. You see, it's so tough to get bullish again, guys, because we need to get above 150, and there's the potential scenario of coming down to the 1618, failing to get it back above the 1. Look, getting back above the 1 is just the first step. Then you need to reclaim this orange level, and you're still not bullish. Then you need to reclaim this level, then you're bullish. Until that, guys, until this 150, no point. But yeah, I will make the videos for you. I'll keep you as updated as possible. If you enjoy the video, smash the like button, turn the notification bells on. Only like 1% of you are actually getting these notifications or watching the videos through the notifications. So that's really annoying. That's not your fault. That's YouTube's fault. Don't know why they don't send the notifications out. But yeah, turn them on. Hopefully YouTube sorts that. Of course, like, subscribe and comment, because 50% of you are not subscribed, guys. If 50% of you watching were subscribed, we'd be so close to 3K. So let's hit 3K as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching. If you're interested in the crypto packages, I'll bring you to them right now. And yeah, peace. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3K, scam master account management where I lost 5K, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship, and I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.